Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the sound mode on your TCL TV. To do that, press the gear button on your remote control to open the TV settings sidebar. On this sidebar, select audio, then in audio go to sound preset, select sound mode, and then select one of the options you see on this list. Once you selected an option, you'll be returned to the previous menu, and this means that your sound mode is changed. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.